Hello everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel. My name is Solanki Nayan. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start now. Today we are discuss to urea fertilizer. First point is urea introduction. Urea is a essential element in a whole plant. There are contain 45 to 47% in a nitrogen. Urea fertilizer manufacture. Urea fertilizer manufacture in a two method. First method is from ammonium carbonate and second method is a Sindri method. First method, ammonium carbonate. Urea can be manufactured in ammonium carbonate, liquid CO2 and liquid NH3 ammonia mixer, and this mixer are autoclave in 132 degrees Celsius temperature and 35 atmospheric pressure, and they are make a ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate are react and remove of H2O water and make a urea NH2CO NH2. Second method, Sandriya method. Urea largest production of Sandriya method, liquid ammonia and liquid carbon dioxide CO2 mix 180 degree atm pressure and 182 degree Celsius and to make a urea. Most important point, how to work in urea fertilizer in a soil. Urea is first hydrolyzed by soil water to NH3 and CO2. Then nitrosification of the NH3 takes place by Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus bacteria, and nitrous are formed. Nitrification of nitrous is brought about by nitrobacter bacteria to from nitrous utilized by the plant in a soil.